Hello friends, Namaste. Today I'm going to talk about how to improve your relationships through Hooponopono. Yes, that's right. And the relationship can be among husband and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend, maybe father and son, maybe mother and daughter, or among friends, any relationship. And I'm not talking about those petty quarrels or small arguments. No, I'm talking about those relationships which are on the verge of ending, on the verge of failure, in a bitter state, and there is no more bonding, no glue, no chemistry at all. Watch my video till the end to get the proper solution. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Anjalu. I'm a motivational speaker, life coach, engineer, and a certified healer. Dear friends, as I was talking about relationships, as I was talking about quarrel or arguments in relationships, and by argument you mean you don't want to get more into trouble, you don't want to escalate a tension, you don't want to stress this, extrapolate this quarrel till the end. Nobody becomes a king by winning an argument, okay? And nobody becomes a queen by showing, yourself on a pedestal. You don't become a queen or king like that. By being humble is how you become a gentleman or gentlewoman, and by being humble is how you show others that all it takes is a little bit of courage to resolve the relationships. So step number one, take a step back. Alright, take a step back. Don't do any stupid thing. Take a step back. Don't escalate the quarrel. Step number two, instead of blaming others for the situation, instead of blaming him or blaming her, you take 100% responsibility for this situation. Okay? For that you want to say, touch your heart and say, I take 100% responsibility for my situation. I take 100% responsibility for my current emotional state. That's how you get back and take control of the situation. Right? Step number three, you find a quiet place, be in a prayer position, either sitting down, kneeling down, or standing up, and say the Hooponopono 108 times. For me, it works 108 times. And somebody might want to do it 11 times, somebody want to do it 21 times. It's up to you how many times you want to chant. But the secret recipe is that, in my own situation, I'm telling, in my own relationship, which was on the verge of, disappointment, which was on the verge of extreme, which was on the verge of failure, I did it once. I did it twice. I did Hooponopono not just once but twice, dear friend. And all I did was chanting it 108 times. And as I was saying, my secret recipe, I used to believe that if I do just 108 times, not more than that, it has to work. That is how you surrender to the power of this beautiful prayer. So let's recollect the steps once more time. Take a step back. Alright, take a step back. Don't escalate the quarrel. Don't escalate the argument. And next you want to do is, you should take 100% responsibility for the situation, 100% responsibility for your emotional state. Number three, find a quiet place and do the Hooponopono chanting in your own number of times in your own comfort, right? Whether 21, 11 or 108 times, it's up to you. And I assure you, by saying this beautiful prayer, all your relationship problem will be solved immediately, or maybe within 24 hours. I pray and I hope that this video helps you a lot in improving your relationships, or maybe finding someone, finding a new relationship, or creating a new bond, a better bond, a healthier bond than the relationship that was earlier with the same person.